a regular printer piece of paper right here. Okay, what you're going to do, like the start of a fortune teller, you're going to fold this up right here to the top, just like that. I'm doing this really slow because you need to be thorough the whole way through. Fold it all the way up, just like you would do with a fortune teller. Yeah, but don't cut this part off because that just ruins it all. So unfold it. Do the same to the other side. Fold it up there. Yep. And unfold it like that, so it should be like an X. Now, like you do with a regular paper airplane of the start of it, fold it in half. Just like that. Unfold it again. And these corners right here, we're going to fold up to those marks right there. Yep. Just like that. Okay? Now don't unfold that, because what you're going to do is something called a reverse fold. You're going to take one corner and just push it in. Just like that. Fold down, and now take that flap and fold it over just like that, and do the exact same to the other side. Just take the flap, push it in, and then fold it over. Okay, just like that. Yeah. Now, what you're going to do is you're going to take this flap right here, and you're going to fold it in half, just like that. Now, fold those edges just like that. Now what you're going to do is another reverse fold. Just take the edges and pull out, and what you're going to do is just push in. Just push in and fold over. Just like that, yeah. Hold on, this is kind of tricky because the smaller, the trickier. Do the same to the other side right there. Push it in. Fold over. Yep, just like that. Now what you're going to do is you're going to fold this over to the other side, just like that, so it looks like a triangle. And now to get the feeling of the fold, I just did that because you want to fold on the right spot, on the crease that's already there, to the other side. Because it wouldn't work if you folded accidentally a little too far or a little too short. So just like that, turn it over upside down, take one side, one flap, and fold it into the center line. Just like that, into the center line. Okay, that's simple. And then take that flap and fold it over here. But this bump right here or something, whatever you call it, that crease, fold that to the middle line, tucking a crease under it. Now take all of that and fold it to this side and do the same to the other side. Fold the crease, bring it over here, take this bump and fold it on the line again, tucking another fold in under it. After you do that, take the flap right here and fold it over just like that, so it still looks like a triangle. Now kind of fold it again so the flap gets the fold too. Okay, so fold it like this already. So the flap gets it. The flap gets the same fold. And do the same to the other side. Flap gets the same fold. And now the bump right here, you'll see a crease that's kicked up. You want to fold that too. And then do the same to the other side because there's going to be another one. If you get it right. So it's going to look like that. So there's a couple of bumps just like that. Okay, now what you're going to do is you're going to turn it around, take that flap, fold it out, keep it bent like that, just a little bit. Now here comes the tricky part. Okay, you kind of want to reverse. You're going to want to reverse fold, just like that. This is kind of tricky. So take this bump and fold it in to this crease right here. Fold it into that crease. Make sure that the creases right here are on the same crease, which is why you need it to be bent a little bit like that. Fold it in. Told you this really gets tricky. Okay. So just like, yeah, that. Now, if you want to make sure you did it right, turn it around. And you're actually going to want to make sure you did it right. Turn it around. It should fold like that. The crease should be on the line going all the way down to the center right there. And then do the same to the other side. So fold it in. Yeah. Her mom's here. Fold it in just like that. And then kind of push it over like you did to the other side. So it looks like a shark tooth. Hold on. It looks like a shark tooth or a spearhead. After that, just pull these two flaps out because they were hidden under. They were hidden under. Now what you're going to do is you're going to take one flap and tuck it under and make sure the fold is on that line right there. And the folding reference point is right there. Right on that corner right there. That's the reference point of the fold, and take that same flap. And now the reference point, the new reference point is going to be on the line. On the line going all the way down, the straight line going all the way down. Yeah. And then, like usual, do the same to the other side. Now it's going to be a little bit easier because you can already take the corner. Hold on. You can already take the corner and fold it right there.
Hold on, Mom. She's going to the bathroom.
And the folding reference point is right there. You do the same like what you did. Take that new fold when you're turning it and put it down the middle just like that. So your model should really, and you can change the fold because you don't want your fold to be like a curve like that, so you can try switching around the fold if you have to in the middle, so it just looks like a straight line, I guess, just like that. And so it can kind of be like a little V like that. And now you see that this whole part right here, one side is a little bit bigger and the other one's a little bit smaller, but that's really okay because it's really hard to get it completely straight, you know. And after that, take these right here and fold this line into the middle line just like that, and do the exact same to the other side. Just like that. So it should look like that, really. Now what you're going to do is you're going to fold everything in half. Just like that. Only really crease on the bottom. Make sure that those are tucked in right there. I'm sorry, make sure that those are tucked in right there. Okay? Yeah. So, fold everything. Oh, and those are a bunch of people walking by. Yeah, and then unfold it. You see that these might fold right here. You don't want that. So kind of push it down. Fold it like that. So it should look like a goose flying or something like that. Okay, now like a regular paper airplane, fold it a little bit so there's a bar under the bottom to do that on. Yeah, this is a really hard fold right here. So fold it really strongly. And do the same to the other side. You gotta be really careful right here because this is the last very hard part. Now, take it from the bottom and tuck these in if they're sticking out. And try folding it again. Tuck the, yeah, hold on. Just like that. If it's not completely gonna work, use a piece of tape or something like that. But really, the finishing touches, take the wings and push them in just like that. And take the other wing and push it in just like you did. Okay. Take a pair of scissors and you gotta pay attention. You see that these wings right here, in between them there is a flap. Now, kind of bend that flap away and ignore it, and cut along that seam, ignoring the flap inside of it, about half an inch maybe. Just like that, maybe a little bit more. Yeah. You got a bad, if you're starting to get a bad view, I'm sorry. Maybe just a little bit more. Yep, just like that. The flap in the middle isn't cut. You can leave that flap alone right there. Do the same to the other side. There should be another flap. So try to ignore that one. Push it down a little bit and cut. And cut on this one. About half an inch. Okay, you don't need the scissors anymore. Now what you're going to do is you're going to take the top flap, and you're going to fold it just like that. Fold it just like that, and do the same to the other side. Fold it just like that. Pull these up right here. Pull these up right here. And there is your F-15 fighter jet. Be sure to tuck these in. You can use a piece of tape if you want to, but yeah, that is it right there. Thank you. And yeah, rate, comment, subscribe.